How to download Snapchat photos. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can download your Snapchat photos, which is snaps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your account and open your memories section. Now from memories, you can go ahead and tap and hold onto the photo that you'd like to save. Once you do that, you will see the export option in the bottom that is between favorites and hide. Tap on that. And now you will see the download option that is between copy and WhatsApp. Go ahead and tap on that and you'll be able to download the photo in your gallery. Now, if you're trying to save a photo from chat or a conversation, simply go ahead and open any conversation or the chat. Find the photo that you'd like to save. Tap and hold onto it and then tap on save to camera roll that is between unsave in chat and delete. This will let you save the photo in your gallery. But this will also let the other people know that you have downloaded the photo from the chat. And another thing you can do is you can save photos that has been sent to you. When someone sends you a snap, simply press and hold the snap while viewing it and then tap on view snap. Then tap on save if available before it disappears. And you can also try downloading all photos. You can go to Snapchat data download website, log in and request your data. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.